Hello there. Murthy's Creations is back with a model of a building this time. This is the old building of Supreme Court of India. The man behind Murthy's Creations is Mr. Shankar Murthy, who is my dad. He has invested last 12 years into craft after his retirement from government service. Supreme Court is a premier judicial court under the Constitution of India. This is the highest constitutional court that has the power of judicial review. It has maximum of 34 judges including Chief Justice of India. Coming to the architecture, it is built in Indo-British style. And you can see that there is if you see the overall plot shape, it is built on a triangular plot of 17 acres. And there is a dome here in the center, which is of 90 feet and 7 inches. It has 3 wings, central wing, east wing and west wing. All these 3 wings together will hold 15 courtrooms, including the Chief Justice courtroom. Now let's take a look at the intricacies of this model. You can see this is in center, you can see this is the front view, and you can see this is a fountain in the front, and also these are the lights. The materials used are like waste materials like newspaper, used cardboard, kg cardboard, velvet. This is a velvet cloth, and color papers, Fevicol. Yeah, and see that there is a steps here, and also the windows and doors marked in black color. The width of this model is 15 inches and the length is 30 inches. The height is 8 inches. You can see the pillars, doors and windows again. Supreme Court of India is located in New Delhi, Tilak Marg, and also it is found on 26th Jan 1950. Rather than found, it is like came into existence. Yeah, you can see the other side of it. The total amount of time taken to build this model is 60 hours over 15 days. And apart from creativity, it also requires a lot of mathematical and mechanical skills to build this kind of craft models. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this is only the old building of model, and there is a new building which has been built recently, which is not part of this model. Thank you.